I believe that there's a broader conversation beyond race and gender that encompasses all of this, right? And it's making the decision of, how are we going to treat each other? Are we going to take care of each other? Are we going to do it or not? And this, it really, it's how I live my life, as far as, if I believe that what I focus on, I attract more of, it's just, that's what it is. Like, that's just it.
Yeah.
I'm not going to but not this time when I'm talking mess about this person, because that person was bad. I'm not going to, you can't try it on and try it off. Are we going to take care of each other or not? And if we are, then the process of dismantling and unpacking and unraveling our white supremacist, our white-centric world, it will start by everyone starting with their individual self and what is at reach around them.